Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, and you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so I will be there to reply you. Okay, guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. This had been on downtrend for a very long time. Okay, it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it tried out uh, an uptrend, but it didn't go too far. Okay, remember, on 15 minutes time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend new car trading indicator to do my analysis right here. Okay, so if you traded this from year to year, that is a lot because this is 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so, and even though it didn't go too far, okay, because I actually thought it's going to be a total reversal in price action or a total change in change of trend, okay, but it didn't go too far before going down. So that is why I had to draw this trend line from the support region to this region, that if it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. And you can see it breaks out below it and it's sold out for a very long time. Okay, so it's going to try to see if it can break out below this support zone. If it does, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then it should go back on uptrend because this will be giving us the big W picture at the long run. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into it, guys. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Still on 15 minutes time frame. This is GainX 999. This has been on downtrend right from this resistance zone, gave us a downtrend signal and of course a sell signal that goes along with the downtrend signal, and it sold for a very long time. It got to this support zone, it has not been able to break out from it, so try to go back on uptrend, but it has been moving within this region. You can see touching the trend line here and here. Okay, so if it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it will keep on selling. However, this has also been maintaining this particular region. Okay, so this is very, very important, so you guys should take advantage, I mean, to should take note of this. Okay, it has been in this within this channel. Okay, if it breaks out above this, it's going to buy more, but if it breaks out below the channel, then it's going to sell more and may likely try out this particular spot. Okay, however, we expect more buying opportunity right from there. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is Paynex 1200. This has been an uptrend for a very long time. Okay, so and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, it it is going to be approaching this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is a buy. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Okay, let's check it out. This is Paynex 999, and of course it was an uptrend before, but got to this resistance zone, tried to sell for a while. Okay, it had a pullback, went back up to the same place, was unable to break out from there, and still came down here. Okay, if it breaks out below this particular horizontal line, then it's going to sell more and may likely see it, I mean, get into this particular region. Okay, so this might be a huge selling opportunity right from there. So watch out for that, guys, if that happens. Okay, so we expect more selling right from there. Okay, so now the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Okay, let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and it is taking the same structure as the Paynex 999, just like the Paynex 999. So I'd been on uptrend before, and of course got to this resistance zone. Tried to sell for a while, but it didn't go too far. It went back up again to that same resistance zone, and it has also not been able to break out from there. If it breaks out, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it's going to sell. But for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out from there. Okay. And if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go into a pull down trend right from there. Most especially once it breaks out below this, okay, then it's going to sell more. So we should look out for that and wait for the right signal before we jump into the trade. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.